Galactic Rogue Core save file issue on PC. 1. Restart your PC and Steam, close Rogue Core and Steam completely, restart your computer normally, launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam Library, right-click Deep Rock Galactic Rogue Core, click Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. 3. Backup existing save files. Press Windows R, open the Rogue Core save file location, copy save files to another folder safely. 4. Disable Steam Cloud temporarily. Open Steam Game Properties. Turn off Steam Cloud synchronization. Launch the game using local saves only. 5. Delete corrupted save files. Locate the save game folder carefully. Remove corrupted or damaged save files. Relaunch the game afterward. 6. Run Steam in-game as administrator. Right-click Steam shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Launch Rogue Core afterward. Hasher 7. Check antivirus and Windows security. Allow Rogue Core through antivirus protection. Disable controlled folder access temporarily. Prevent save files from being blocked. 8. Free up storage space. Make sure your drive has enough free space. Delete temporary files if storage is full. Restart the game afterward. Restore previous backup saves. Replace broken save files with backup copies. Paste the backup into the save folder. Relaunch the game and test progress. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Rogue Core completely. Delete leftover save cache folders manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.